Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of the disengagement theory of aging, developed by sociologist Elaine Cumming and psychoanalyst William Henry in 1961. And this theory is rooted in the functionalism perspective. Functionalist sociologists view society like a system in which every part has a role contributing to the social stability of the system. The disengagement theory explains that as people age, they at some point begin to retire or disengage from the social roles and positions of responsibility. And this allows the younger generations of people to step into those roles. On a societal level, this maintains societal stability and equilibrium. Functionalists view this process as necessary or functional for keeping social systems running smoothly, ensuring a balance between different age groups. Cummins and Henry viewed aging as a mutual process between generations, as older generations withdraw from social roles in preparation for the next stage of life, and eventually the death and dying process. The transition between the generations is a gradual process and impacts different areas of social life. For example, many older adults retire from their jobs, giving up their professional identity as they step away from their workplace responsibilities. Some older people become less socially active, spending more time at home and interacting less with the outside world. Some older people may hand over control of their business, family leadership, or even finances to their younger generations. These types of social transitions are functional in that they prepare the younger generation for the social roles that they will eventually take over. The disengagement theory is not without its critics, because not all older people want or can disengage from their social roles and responsibilities. Aging people also maintain societal stability by fulfilling roles such as grandparenthood and volunteers. Aging people continue to play a strong role in the overall functioning of society. Some aging people continue to work part-time, full-time, and mentor younger people. Many older adults join community groups, travel, and stay socially engaged. They also continue to participate and contribute to the economy as participants and/or as consumers. Disengagement theory has also been critiqued in that this type of thinking about societal stability perpetuates the cultural ideas that aging people should withdraw from the economy and social life in general. And this can lead to ageism or discrimination when older individuals are pushed aside, even when they want to stay socially engaged and involved. With that said, when viewed from a macro level perspective, when people leave the workplace, new opportunities open for others, and this cycle contributes to the social stability of society. And that makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.